Two cars, two completely different philosophies. One is the future pure electric zero emissions, software first. The other is a proven legend, reliable, affordable, trusted by millions for decades in 2026. You've got more choice is than ever, but which one is actually right for you? Today we're putting the Tesla Model 3 and the Toyota Camry head-to-head in every category that actually matters. No hype, no brand loyalty, just the truth. Let's start where most people start, the price tag. The 2026 Toyota Camry kicks off at around $28,000 for the base LE trim. The Tesla Model 3, on the other hand, starts at roughly $42,000. That's a $14,000 difference right out of the gate, but. And this is a big but. Tesla buyers in the U.S. can still qualify for a $7,500 federal tax credit, which brings that gap down significantly. So always calculate the after incentive price before you judge. Two cars, two completely different philosophies. One is the future pure electric zero emissions, software first. The other is a proven legend, reliable, affordable, trusted by millions for decades in 2026. You've got more choice is than ever, but which one is actually right for you? Today we're putting the Tesla Model 3 and the Toyota Camry head-to-head in every category that actually matters. No hype, no brand loyalty, just the truth. Now let's talk running costs, because this is where electric really shines. The Toyota Camry gets about 32 miles per gallon combined at current gas price. You're spending roughly 12 cents per mile on fuel. The Tesla Model 3 charging at home costs around 3 to 4 cents per mile, over 15,000 miles a year. That's over $1,000 in savings annually just on energy. If you drive a lot, the Tesla pays itself back faster than most people realize. Step inside the Tesla Model 3, and the first thing you notice is nothing intentionally. The minimalist cabin removes almost every button and replace it with a giant 15-inch touch. Green, love it or hate it, it's a strong statement. The Toyota Camry takes the APAs. It approach familiar controls, a proper instrument cluster, and a cabin designed to feel immediately comfortable. For tech enthusiasts, Tesla wins. For those who want a stress-free, intuitive driving environment, the Camry is hard to beat. Here's where Tesla absolutely dominates. The Model 3 standard range hits 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds, the long range 4.2 seconds, and the performance version, a jaw-dropping 3.1 seconds. That is supercar territory. Toyota has built a reputation over decades as the gold standard of reliability. The Camry consistently tops reliability surveys from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power year after year. This is where Tesla pulls ahead in ways that feel genuinely game-changing. Autopilot comes standard. It handles steering, acceleration, and braking on highways with minimal input. Electric vehicles have fewer moving parts, no oil change, no transmission service, no spark plugs. Tesla's maintenance costs are genuinely lower over time. If your carbon footprint matters to you, and in 2026, for many buyers it absolutely does, the math strongly favors the Tesla zero tailpipe emissions, and when charged with renewable energy, one of the cleanest vehicles on the road. Depreciation, the silent wealth killer of car ownership. Here's a surprising finding. Tesla Model 3 has historically held its value quite well compared to most EVs. Here's something the Camry simply cannot do. Every few weeks while you're sleeping, Tesla pushes an over-the-air software update to your car. So should actually buy each car. The Tesla Model 3 is perfect for tech enthusiasts, daily commuters, people who own their home and can charge overnight, high-mileage highway drivers, and anyone who wants the latest technology at their fingertips. Let's scorecard it. Tesla wins on performance, technology, running costs, environmental impact, and software features. Toyota wins on upfront price, reliability, track record, ease of service, resale, predictability, and charging convenience. So here's the bottom line. If you want the future right now, love technology, drive a lot, and have a charger at home, go Tesla.